What's up, guys? Good morning. We're actually here at Orange County Cars and Coffee. I haven't done it in a couple months, and I usually save it for last. But it was cool. It was exciting, and I actually ran into a buddy here. There he is, if you can see him. And I have a very special guest.
No.
Check it out.
No! No, you can't do that.
Beautiful Orange County on a Saturday morning, pushing 80 degrees, and it was clear skies. Now this Cars and Coffee was actually a little bit slower than usual, but we got to see some amazing cars. So let's go down the list. WR Accents and Impreza and older gen. We also saw this Lancer Evolution. I love this car. We got to see this E90 sedan. I freaking love it with the V8. It was on Regmaster wheels. We got to talk to the OC Cars and Coffee coordinator who was recording some GoPro footage. Asked him about his audio, and this is what he said. I should definitely get the Rode mic, and I think I will. Now we're on our way, checking out some more cars. Hard to record and also look at the cars at the same time. I mean, look at this beautiful Mazda RX-7. Gorgeous. It was almost stock. And then this guy, I've been there, man, riding a scooter on a broken leg. It's not fun when they're done though. Gotta see this McLaren, this Lamborghini, this GT3. My gosh, man, how do these people afford it? I love it. I need to get there. Here he is again. That's the coordinator. Super cool guy. Awesome advice. We had this motorcycle crew like this GTR, this M3, the Terminator, Mustang. Oh my gosh, dude, I wish I could own it. And here we are again with the crew with the C8. This is Anthony. You can follow him at CA_Rocket and his girlfriend Jamie. This beautiful 911 Turbo S. Man, gorgeous, guys. Cadillac, Mustang 5.0, an ATS. I don't know if it was a V, but it was nice. Look at this Porsche. Gorgeous. Man, these things are timeless. The value is just going to keep going up on these cars. It's insane. Anyways, guys, like I said, I love this meet, and I definitely like to go here a very limited amount of time. I've been going to Cars and Coffee in OC since 2010. And the community's amazing, and I like that everyone's actually following rules and not doing crazy things anymore. Anyways, if you find yourself out there and you see me, please shoot me a hello and let's talk. I'd love to review your car too, so if you have something special, I'll meet you there and we'll do it.
Guys, if you do like the videos, you like the information, you like the cinematics, please subscribe, like,